It's raining pretty good.
Ma'am?
See my gray hair?
What are you doing?
Well, today this is our shower. You want to show me, or should I show you how the shower works? Now, you can't stand in front of the shower. It gets a little excited.
Oh!
I know, it got me. But, are you gonna wash your hair? I didn't wash my hair, just my bangs.
Yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair.
Okay, that should be fun.
I have to wash my entire hair so I can go to the gym again. Look at my morning routine. I don't put any effort into the way that I look. I just look like this naturally.
So it's been a couple days probably since we last spoke here. It's been raining the whole time.
Yeah, what's new, Gabrielle?
It's been raining. So we're just leaving our favorite place. Dustin went to the gym for the past couple days. It's been our routine. He gyms, I McDonald.
We're gonna have fungus growing in here soon.
Good morning. The sun is shining. We've got toilets.
Show that.
Someone got stuck right next to us last night.
We were just getting ready to fall asleep.
Yep.
And all we hear is for how long was it? Long enough.
Probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes maybe?
Surprised they got out. Good on them.
Yeah. In a massive camper van. They thought it was a good idea to park in the mud. It's been raining for a week or two. But now it's time to go to the bathroom and
show the sun again. This is cool.
we're gonna try and build the rest of the floor today, right? Is that the plan?
Gonna try. We're gonna
Yeah.
do it.
We're gonna do it.
Good walk. Today, we get things done.
Yeah.
Such as, I'm gonna throw these out.
You're throwing those out?
Yeah.
Really?
What else am I gonna do?
Well, what are you gonna use in the shower? We need to buy you new shower shoes?
Go barefoot for now.
Really? You're gonna get things growing on your feet.
Thankfully.
Ew.
I'm kind of tired of the stink stuff.
The sting? Okay.
What can I do about the towels?
We might just have to, usually you just have to wash it in really hot water. I wonder if it's because we washed it in cold water.
Maybe that's what it was.
All right, this is the moment. Are you sure you feel okay about that?
Nope. Those are like $50. But they stink. And I'm gonna use them in a shower where they're gonna constantly get wet. And I don't want to just carry them around with me out of pity. So.
Okay. Well, this is the spot we stayed last night. Little table, bunch of parking. Just like a big open parking lot. And we even have flushing toilets. Anyways, men's toilets are on that side. Women's here, which doesn't really matter because they're separate. And we've got flushing toilets with like a kind of weird little half wall. Someone's garbage, which wasn't there last night. It's kind of gross. So yeah. And a sink with running water, which is where I plan to wash my hair today, or at least my bangs.
Back here.
Continue on National
He's
Highway
gonna get the
15,
sign.
37 kilometers.
I'm sorry.
Alright, off to Bunnings!
I don't know why.
That's the Bunnings we're going to. It's massive. That's crazy. But first, breakfast. Does Sammy need
Where am I
breakfast?
going?
This one.
Turn left onto Main Street.
Does Sammy need breakfast or he's good?
He had a late night supper.
Okay.
He can wait.
In 150 meters, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
How we should find a bottle recycling station.
Currently, well, Gabrielle.
And we've gotten rid of things. This is what I need to deal with.
Yeah. This is your job now.
Just teasing ourselves. You want to go play in the water?
Kind of. I thought that was a Tim
Okay, this is
Hortons.
literally so. Oh, it almost smells like Timmy's.
I know.
Look at that thing. We're trying something new today. Probiotic. Kefir. Dustin's got his usual.
Look at this crow. You are a big bird.
I also think it's funny they just walk around with their mouths open. It's time.
Hey, what are you doing?
I have to get in there.
Yeah, we need to pull this out a little bit. And then...
Lift from the side like that.
Get back there then, Toots.
See, because you're so strong.
Get right there. Alright.
You're so handsome and so nice looking and stuff.
Okay, just drop that in. And then... I feel like I should show the crowd. We gotta clean up all that stuff out of the way.
Yeah, but I'm thinking maybe we move all of our stuff onto the little mulch pit.
Sure. That's some soccer field. Not for sleeping.
No.
We're not homeless anymore.
This way? On that side again?
Keep going. Why are you bringing it all over there?
Oh.
Do you have the camera on it?
Into the garage for safety gear. We're gonna try and use this today, I think. Ooh. Look, honey. Look at my machine.
Wonderful. Job.
Look how beautiful. Didn't work. Here we go again. Gabrielle the anchor. Dustin the carpenter. Okay, so we've done a very rough. Cute little worker guy. Very rough little tracing. Because that's going to be covered anyway by the bed. And after that we'll do the corner. And then the wheel well. But first that guy. My dad would be proud of that one. Look. Dustin taking the battery out to check it. Again with our safety gear. Alright. Show us what you got. Hey, we're better this time than last time. In a better mood. Both of us.
Don't jinx it.
Okay. Nice. Well, I guess I shouldn't say nice yet because we still have to try it out. And for everyone wondering, this is my job.
Show what you look like. She's my model.
The moment of truth. Oh, plenty enough. You just have to lift it over the thing.
Oh, let's do this first. Put it back.
There.
Put it back.
Put it back where?
There, Let's do that corner now.
Okay. I think it's gonna work. Time to try it. Okay. Oh. Wow.
Uh-oh.
What? It's not bad.
Uh-oh. This might need to be cut out a little bit more.
Down to the final cut. This one, pretty good. Beautiful. The really important one.
Ready?
All right, let's see. Oh. Like butter.
Look at this. Look at that.
Look how
Nice and
perfect
flush.
it is. Nice and flush.
It is. Yeah.
I know, I'm just laughing at you. Now, one last piece to go. The missing piece of the puzzle. Can we do it? Final draw. Perfect? Yes? Perfect. The perfectionist doesn't think it's perfect.
Okay, cool. I think that's pretty good. Like all those gaps. I'm not a professional.
That's great.
Don't show the little.
That's
gaps.
so good.
But all these gaps, I think you can buy like a.
Wood filler?
Yeah.
Some kind of putty thing?
Yeah. Even like a glue, and then we'll shave it down to make it like.
Mr.
For the
Perfectionist.
end. Shave it. Yeah.
You did good.
It's good enough. High five. I think we've earned it.
Now what? Food! Dustin has decided that he's happy after taking a moment. Because his, what did you say? Explain to the people.
What part?
How you've done things with trailer floors.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've fixed mess ups before on trailers.
What do you use, caulking for that?
Yeah, either caulking or there's like little edge pieces that you can get that are like a, they're like a nice little curved piece of rubberish plastic
Yeah.
that you can just insert on the sides.
Oh no, I meant these.
Oh,
For
for
just
this?
little gaps, right? Is that what you were talking about?
No, that's still like a wood
Oh,
filler.
you meant the side.
I meant the sides because there is there's still some slight gaps. Like this is all gonna end up being covered anyways.
By the walls. Is that a crow coughing?
I think it was barking, but
The crows bark here in Australia.
he's literally barking. Hangs out around the houses too much. Literally barking. Look at him, strutting his stuff. Get him. Barking. That must be a female. See the hips moving? I'm no birdologist, but that's a female. Look at her.
You do it.
She's throwing that thing.
Dustin! We're not putting that in.
Okay, Gabrielle, don't put that there. That's where the bed slats are going. Do 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 yeah.
And then I can make the bed.
Okay, perfect. See what I mean though? I couldn't do it until the cushions were up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna deliver you cushions.
No, not yet. 1 second. 1 second. Okay, go. I don't want that one.
What's the foot one?
Okay. you looking up a bottle depot?
No, my
You sure?
side's good.
Oh god.
We call Sammy an alcoholic. Gabrielle's a camel. Give me some of that. It's definitely not me.
Did you put yours back in the
Yep.
garage?
Sure did.
Okay. Time for a shower.
Yeah, don't mind me.
Okay, this is crazy. 2:37. And we're done work for the day. Really, tomorrow, should we try and do the bed thing or no?
I want to go to the gym tomorrow yet.
Okay.
But if you can get up at a decent, we've been getting up at a decent time, to be fair.
Yeah, don't do that.
No, I've been getting up like about an hour earlier than
That's
you
true, and
most
then you tell me,
mornings.
go back to bed. I'm gonna be so good. Was that good?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, this stuff
That
is so good. What Dustin cares about is protein. So there's 45 grams of protein in the whole thing. It's a little high on the sodium, I suppose, for the whole thing. It's like 1,500. Because of the sauce. I guess anything with sauce usually has a lot of sodium.
Yeah, but we're barely eating right now, so.
But salt is like one of the last ingredients, so. Anyways,
Remember not
it's pretty delicious.
to get too high in sodium today.
Now we're trying to decide what to do. I can't talk. Slurring my words.
Frickin' door. We're gonna cut that out, maybe.
One other bite.
Yeah,
How's your jaw?
hurts.
Still?
Mm-hmm. Damn, I want some more good food.
Here we are again. On sale? No coffee ones.
Bastards don't have their coffees.
It's
Chocolate will
worth the
do.
saving $1.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's still
Okay.
It's still okay. Okay. I forget what it's called, but that's what everyone was telling me to get from the county.
Oh yeah?
That's what, like, I think Colton was mentioning. They got those like huge truck things there, but that one has a camper on the back, so it's literally what I should have gotten. Could you see it a little bit?
Yeah. This is the trick that we don't know if it actually works.
It does work. I'm telling
Dustin
you,
thinks
does.
it works. That
It's-
makes it work.
It's stupid. If you have bad service, if you can't send off a text message, put your phone there. I'm not gonna promise it's gonna work, but I'll promise it's better. It makes no sense unless it does. Some scientists can prove it. But that works. It's silly, but I just proved it to Gabrielle. Did it work, Gabrielle?
It did work. But I don't believe it.
It's stupid. It's stupid. It shouldn't work. It doesn't, but it does. My oldest brother, oh, wait, there we go. My oldest brother taught me that trick because he used to work out in camp, way out in the bush, in the boonies. And someone taught it to him, and he doesn't believe it works, but it does. So we don't believe it, but it works.